Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the Zoho Invoice time tracking tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. Now the first thing that you need to do is to log into your Zoho Invoice account and then go to time tracking module typically found in the left hand menu, this one right here. And now under the time tracking tab, select projects, and then what you will see there is to click on new project and create a new one. So add the details like the project name, client, billing method, and the rate, which is hourly or fixed. And then after that, you have to save your project. And once your project is set up, click on Task within that project and click New Task to define specific activities. Now you have to set the task rates if needed and assign team members to task if you are collaborating with others. And then after that, go to Timesheet tab under the time tracking. And then what you're going to do is click on Log Time. Now you can either enter the time manually or use the time feature. Now for the timer, click the start timer on the task. And then once you're done, just click the stop timer and then the time will be recorded automatically. And then after that, after logging time, go to invoice module and then choose new invoice and then select the client and then the project that you want to bill and then review the invoice, and you have to make any adjustments and then send it to your client. And here you can also check the reports section to view summaries of the time spent on projects. You can filter the by project, client, or team members to get insights into how time is used. And then that's how basically you can do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you ever find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.